What happens if you eat chia seeds every day for 2 weeks? What if I told you that adding a simple spoonful of chia seeds to your daily routine could boost your energy, clear your skin, melt stubborn belly fat, and even improve your sleep, all without expensive supplements or complicated diets? Sounds unbelievable, right? But science is uncovering surprising truths about this superfood that may shock you. What exactly happens inside your body when you eat chia seeds every day? What changes can you expect to see and feel? Stay with us until the end of this video because we're about to reveal 10 life-changing benefits that might just convince you to make chia seeds your new daily habit. Trust me, you won't want to miss number 9. It's something that could completely change the way you think about weight loss forever. Let's dive in. Section 1. Mood enhancement through chia seeds. Over the past decade, growing evidence has demonstrated that omega-3 fatty acids play a pivotal role in emotional stability and cognitive function. Chia seeds, being one of the richest plant-based sources of alpha-linolenic acid ALA, have emerged as a promising dietary intervention for individuals experiencing mood disturbances. When consumed daily over a 2-week period, chia seeds may contribute to significant improvements in mood regulation. Studies, including pivotal research from the University of Pittsburgh, indicate that individuals with higher omega-3 intake report lower levels of anxiety, irritability, and depressive symptoms. Omega-3s are essential for maintaining neuronal membrane fluidity, which facilitates neurotransmitter signaling and reduces neuroinflammation, a known contributor to mood disorders. Furthermore, chia seeds provide magnesium, a mineral frequently deficient in individuals suffering from chronic stress and depression. Magnesium enhances gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA activity, promoting relaxation and reducing the excitability of the nervous system. In my clinical observations, patients incorporating chia seeds into their diet often describe feeling more balanced and emotionally resilient. This underscores the profound impact that small, consistent dietary adjustments can have on mental well-being. Nutritional psychiatry is increasingly highlighting that food is not merely fuel, but a fundamental component of our emotional and psychological health. Integrating chia seeds into one's daily routine is a simple yet powerful step towards fostering emotional resilience and improving overall quality of life. Section 2. Improved sleep quality with chia seeds. Sleep disorders often stem from imbalances in neurotransmitters and hormones, particularly serotonin and melatonin. Chia seeds, when consumed consistently over a 2-week period, offer a natural solution to improving sleep quality. This is largely due to their high content of tryptophan, an essential amino acid that serves as a precursor to serotonin, which is subsequently converted into melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep-wake cycles. Research conducted by the University of Texas Health Science Center at San Antonio has demonstrated that tryptophan supplementation significantly enhances sleep onset, duration, and quality, particularly in individuals with insomnia. Beyond tryptophan, chia seeds provide magnesium, which acts as a natural muscle relaxant and plays a key role in calming the nervous system. Magnesium deficiency is often implicated in sleep disturbances, leading to increased nighttime awakenings and poor sleep efficiency. In my clinical practice, patients who incorporated chia seeds into their evening meals reported falling asleep more easily and experiencing fewer disruptions throughout the night. This highlights the interconnectedness between nutrition and sleep regulation. While pharmaceutical interventions remain necessary in some cases, dietary strategies like adding chia seeds offer a gentle, side-effect-free alternative that supports the body's natural sleep mechanisms. This approach not only promotes restorative sleep, but also fosters long-term improvements in overall health. Section 3. Oral health support from chia seeds. What we eat profoundly affects our teeth and gums, and chia seeds stand out as a remarkable functional food in this context. Regular consumption of chia seeds for 2 weeks can lead to noticeable improvements in oral hygiene and dental strength. Chia seeds are an excellent source of calcium, with just 1 ounce providing approximately 18% of the recommended daily intake. Calcium is the cornerstone of dental health, fortifying enamel and reducing the risk of cavities. Additionally, chia seeds contain phosphorus, vitamin A, and zinc. nutrients that collectively support gum health and combat oral bacteria. Zinc, in particular, has antimicrobial properties that inhibit plaque formation and prevent gingivitis. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Periodontology suggests that individuals with adequate zinc intake exhibit lower rates of periodontal disease. In my experience, patients who incorporated chia seeds into their diets often reported reduced gum sensitivity and fresher breath. These benefits reinforce the notion that oral health extends beyond brushing and flossing. It is fundamentally shaped by dietary choices. Incorporating nutrient-dense foods like chia seeds can serve as a preventive measure against common dental issues, ensuring a healthier smile and reducing the need for invasive dental procedures in the long term. Section 4. Bone density and strength preservation. Over the years, chia seeds have gained attention as a plant-based powerhouse for bone health. Consuming chia seeds daily for 2 weeks can significantly contribute to skeletal strength, thanks to their impressive calcium and manganese content. 1 ounce of chia seeds delivers approximately 180 milligrams of calcium, comparable to dairy products, and 30% of the recommended daily intake of manganese. These minerals are essential for bone mineralization, collagen formation, and the prevention of bone resorption. A study published in Osteoporosis International found that plant-based calcium sources, such as chia seeds, are well absorbed and contribute to increased bone mineral density in postmenopausal women. Additionally, chia seeds contain boron, a trace mineral that aids in calcium absorption and supports joint health. In my practice, patients who adopted chia seeds as part of their bone-supportive diet reported improved joint flexibility and reduced bone discomfort. This underscores the vital role that nutrition plays in preserving skeletal integrity, particularly as we age. By incorporating chia seeds into daily meals, individuals can proactively safeguard their bone health, reducing the risk of fractures and ensuring mobility well into later life. Section 5. Cholesterol regulation and heart health. Chia seeds, with their soluble fiber content and omega-3 fatty acids, have emerged as a heart-healthy superfood. When consumed daily for 2 weeks, chia seeds can contribute to significant reductions in total cholesterol and LDL, low-density lipoprotein cholesterol levels. Soluble fiber binds to bile acids in the digestive system, promoting their excretion and prompting the liver to utilize circulating cholesterol for bile production. This process effectively lowers LDL cholesterol, a key contributor to atherosclerosis. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition published a landmark study highlighting the cholesterol-lowering effects of dietary fiber, reinforcing chia seeds' role as a valuable tool in lipid management. Additionally, chia seeds contain alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that reduces inflammation and improves endothelial function. In my clinical practice, patients with elevated cholesterol who incorporated chia seeds into their diets experienced measurable improvements in lipid profiles within weeks. This supports the growing consensus that dietary interventions can rival pharmacological approaches in certain cases. Embracing chia seeds as part of a balanced, heart-conscious diet offers a natural and effective strategy for promoting cardiovascular health. Section 6. Blood sugar control and diabetes prevention. Over the past few years, chia seeds have drawn significant attention within the medical community due to their remarkable capacity to stabilize blood sugar levels. When consumed consistently for 2 weeks, chia seeds can offer considerable support in preventing blood sugar spikes, especially after meals, a critical factor in reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. This benefit is primarily attributed to their high-soluble fiber content, which forms a gel-like substance when mixed with water. This gel slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, leading to a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. A study conducted at St. Michael's Hospital in Canada demonstrated that individuals who included chia seeds in their meals experienced a notable reduction in postprandial blood glucose levels compared to those who did not. Furthermore, animal studies have indicated that regular chia seed consumption can improve insulin sensitivity, enhancing the body's ability to utilize glucose effectively. In my clinical practice, patients diagnosed with prediabetes or those struggling with insulin resistance often report improved glycemic control after integrating chia seeds into their daily diet. Beyond stabilizing blood sugar, chia seeds also promote satiety, reducing the likelihood of unhealthy snacking, a common challenge for individuals with unstable blood glucose levels. This underscores chia seeds' potential as both a preventive and complementary dietary intervention for individuals at risk of developing diabetes. Nutritional adjustments like this are increasingly proving to be as vital as pharmacological treatments in managing metabolic health. Section 7. Cardiovascular disease risk reduction. Chia seeds stand out as a prime example of a functional food capable of reducing multiple cardiovascular risk factors. Consuming chia seeds daily for 2 weeks can contribute to improvements in blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and systemic inflammation, 3 major contributors to heart disease. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-lanolenic acid ALA, which has been shown to lower blood pressure and reduce arterial stiffness. A clinical study conducted by the Federal University of Paraíba in Brazil demonstrated that patients who regularly consumed chia seeds experienced a reduction in systolic blood pressure, a critical factor in lowering the risk of strokes and heart attacks. Additionally, the soluble fiber in chia seeds helps lower LDL cholesterol levels, while their antioxidant content combats oxidative stress, which can damage blood vessels. In my clinical observations, patients who adopted chia seeds as part of their heart-healthy diet often reported increased energy levels and improved overall cardiovascular function. This aligns with mounting evidence that emphasizes the power of plant-based nutrition in reducing heart disease risk. By making chia seeds a staple in daily meals, individuals can proactively support their cardiovascular system, reducing reliance on medications and enhancing long-term heart health. Section 8. Enhanced exercise performance. Chia seeds have emerged as a particularly fascinating supplement for improving exercise endurance and recovery. Incorporating chia seeds into a daily routine over 2 weeks can yield noticeable improvements in physical performance and muscle recovery. This is largely due to their high omega-3 content, which enhances blood flow and reduces exercise-induced inflammation. Additionally, chia seeds are an excellent source of protein and essential amino acids, supporting muscle repair and growth. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that athletes who consumed omega-3 rich foods exhibited improved oxygen utilization and reduced muscle soreness post-exercise. In my consultations with athletes, those who integrated chia seeds into their pre-workout nutrition reported experiencing sustained energy levels during prolonged training sessions. The slow-digesting fiber in chia seeds provides a steady release of energy, preventing fatigue and stabilizing blood sugar throughout exercise. Post-workout, the protein content supports muscle recovery, reducing the risk of injuries. This positions chia seeds as an invaluable addition to the diets of individuals seeking to optimize physical performance naturally. Unlike synthetic supplements, chia seeds offer a clean, nutrient-dense solution that aligns with the growing movement towards plant-based sports nutrition. Athletes often underestimate the impact of nutrition on performance, but chia seeds exemplify how strategic dietary choices can significantly enhance endurance, recovery, and overall athletic output. Section 9. Weight management and appetite control. Chia seeds have proven to be an exceptional dietary tool in this regard. Consuming chia seeds daily for 2 weeks can lead to a reduction in appetite and an improvement in portion control. This is largely due to the soluble fiber content in chia seeds, which expands upon contact with water, forming a gel that slows digestion and prolongs the feeling of fullness. A clinical study conducted by the University of Toronto demonstrated that overweight individuals who incorporated chia seeds into their diet reported decreased hunger levels and a reduced desire for snacks. Additionally, the protein content in chia seeds further supports satiety by influencing the release of appetite-regulating hormones, such as ghrelin. In my practice, patients who struggle with binge eating or emotional eating have found chia seeds to be a practical, natural solution to curb cravings. The slow release of energy from chia seeds prevents the rapid blood sugar fluctuations that often trigger hunger pangs. This illustrates how chia seeds can play a crucial role in sustainable weight management strategies. Beyond aiding in weight loss, chia seeds also contribute to metabolic health by reducing visceral fat, an often overlooked risk factor for cardiovascular disease. Integrating chia seeds into daily meals fosters a more mindful approach to eating, empowering individuals to achieve their weight management goals while nourishing their bodies. Section 10. Skin health and anti-aging benefits. Chia seeds, when consumed daily for 2 weeks, can significantly enhance skin clarity, texture, and overall radiance. This is primarily due to their potent antioxidant profile, which neutralizes free radicals, unstable molecules that accelerate aging and contribute to inflammatory skin conditions like acne and eczema. A study conducted by Mexican researchers revealed that chia seeds exhibit remarkably high antioxidant activity, surpassing many other plant-based foods. Furthermore, chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help strengthen the skin barrier and reduce transepidermal water loss. This results in improved hydration and a more resilient complexion. In my clinical practice, patients who integrated chia seeds into their diets often experienced reductions in redness, breakouts, and signs of premature aging. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3s also prove beneficial for individuals with chronic conditions such as psoriasis. Additionally, chia seeds provide zinc, a mineral essential for collagen synthesis and wound healing. This underscores the holistic nature of chia seeds as a skin-enhancing superfood. While skincare routines remain important, nutrition is the foundation of lasting beauty. Chia seeds exemplify how simple dietary adjustments can yield visible improvements in skin health, empowering individuals to achieve a naturally youthful glow. So there you have it, 10 incredible changes your body can experience just by adding chia seeds to your daily routine for 2 weeks. From boosting your mood, improving your sleep, strengthening your bones, to even helping you lose weight naturally, these tiny seeds truly pack a massive punch when it comes to your health. And the best part? It's so simple. No complicated meal plans, no extreme workouts, just a small daily habit that could lead to long-lasting improvements in your body and mind. But now it's over to you. Are you ready to give chia seeds a try and see these transformations for yourself? Imagine how you could feel 2 weeks from now, lighter, more energized, glowing with healthier skin. Why not start today? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share it with someone who needs to know these health secrets, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more tips for a healthier, happier you. Let us know in the comments, what benefits surprised you the most? And if you've tried chia seeds before, what changes did you notice? We'd love to hear your story. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Stay healthy, stay happy.